probably buy more expensive parts. Learn from me, don't buy cheap shit. Ever since the announcement of the M2, this is something that I've wanted to get for it straight away. Not to mention, no one has done this for their M2 yet. We are also unpacking something, well, that a lot of M2 owners have already done. I am super excited to show you what is in this box. If it's your very first time here, I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you so much. And of course, if it isn't your first time, thank you even more for following the channel. Appreciate you all tuning in. Today, we're going to be talking again about the G87 M2. I was lucky enough to recently pick this car up. Super privileged and super excited to own this car, but I don't think I can keep it stock. So we've got a few goodies going on today, and I'm actually recording this just prior to leaving to go to D&S Tint. We're going to be getting some ceramic coating, and we're also getting some PPF wrap. We're going to PPF wrap the carbon fiber roof. Originally, I was looking at getting the front end done on the M2. I was going to get what they call the track pack here. And basically it covers like the front bumper, the very front of the bonnet as well as the side mirrors, and a little bit of the rear skirting on the car as well. Decided not to go ahead with that. Instead, I've gone for the PPF on the carbon fiber roof because I'm super sketchy about that getting chipped or damaged. And I know once you get the carbon fiber damaged, it's pretty much impossible to repair. So we're going to be getting that wrapped, and we're getting tint also. I haven't decided if I'm going to go legal or the one step below legal. It is a white car, so I feel like tint's going to, you know, look a little bit darker generally anyway, but I'm probably pointing towards the darker tint. Now, the exciting part that I haven't seen anyone do to their G87 M2 just yet, and this is going to divide a few people on whether or not you actually think it is a good idea. So let's go and have a look at what we've got. So we are talking about some stickers and some decals for the M2. Now, I was lucky enough to also own an M140i, and I also had the M Performance stickers down the side of the car, and it really did divide a lot of people on whether or not you liked it or not. But what we have here is the M Performance sticker, genuine from Adelaide, a BMW. Ordered them in a couple of weeks ago, and I will be getting these fitted at the same time as the PPF and the ceramic coat. So I know you need to put these on before the ceramic coat, otherwise they don't stick properly. Did have a bit of an issue with my M140i, which they quickly resolved where it started peeling. I did do a video of that, so if you're interested in seeing the decals for the M140i, check out the link below. I'll add that in the description. But I'm super excited about getting these M Performance stickers on because I haven't seen them on, or I haven't seen anyone do them yet. I hope they're in good condition and they're not damaged. So yeah, super excited to see how these go. So the next modification we're going to be doing is one that has been done quite commonly throughout history, and that is the carbon fiber rear duct lips. So I've done it on my E92, and I actually got it from the same spot or the same company that did my E92 carbon fiber wing, and it's a company called Mars Performance. Now, I know there's a lot of other companies that are selling them for quite a lot more, like Auto ID, for example, but they all look very, very similar to me. And this one for about 500 Australian US dollars, I couldn't pass up. So let's go and have a look at it. So here it is, the carbon fiber wing from Mars Performance, all in really good shape. The thing that I did notice, which other people are getting, is they're getting the pre-installed 3M tape. This one does have nothing at all, which isn't a big deal because I'm going to be getting the mob who's doing the window tint and the PPF wrap to do it. So not a big deal, but yeah, the quality is really good. I'll add the description and the link below for the website if you are interested in getting one. Let's actually have a look at how this looks, because I haven't actually test fitted it. And I've only seen some photos. I was a little bit concerned that it looked a little bit too big in the photos. There is a smaller one, which is less sort of intrusive or invasive, I guess, so to speak. And I was sort of worried that it's just gonna look a bit cheap, sort of sticking on the back. But I really wanted to give it a go because the little lip on the back that comes factory is just horrible. I just could not keep it. And it sort of sits somewhere like that. Oh, wow. That looks so much better. I gotta move the camera so you can see what I'm seeing. So yeah, the real look that I was sort of going for was black, white, black, and then white again, and the roof being black. And as you can sort of see, it just, oh, it sets off the car so much better than the factory wing. My goodness gracious me. So I assume it sits somewhere like that. So how cool does this look? I think I'm gonna ultimately have to get carbon fiber rear diffuser as well. But initially that looks so sick, especially with the black number plate. So we've really got the black accents showing up. So black, white, black, white, black. Oh, this looks so much better than I had imagined, because yeah, in the photos it looked gigantic, which yeah, I was a little bit concerned about, but oh, this is gonna look sick. So yeah, just to recap, we'll be fitting the carbon fiber wing, we're getting the carbon fiber roof PPF wrapped, and a full ceramic coat on the car. I'm super excited, but without further ado, let's go get it done, because it's gonna be an instant for you, but it's gonna be a 2-day wait for me. So let's go get this done.
I'ma keep it going till there ain't nothing left. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't nothing left. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't nothing left. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on. Nothing. Keep the flame on. Nothing. Keep the flame. Keep the flame. Keep the flame on.
So we are fresh back from picking up the car from D&S Tint. We've had the wing fitted, we had a ceramic coat, we had the roof wrapped, we had the headlights wrapped, and we had the window tint done. So with the window tint, we decided to go with the 20% rather than the 35 legal. So it's a little bit darker, and as I suspected, it does look super duper dark on a white car, but it turned out immaculate. We ended up going with the ceramic tint, which was a little bit more, but supposedly it stops heat a little bit better. So really happy with the ceramic coat, and the wrap to the roof is mint, and also the headlights are perfect. However, we do have a bit of an issue, and that is the M Performance stickers. As I suspected, the way that they got delivered in that small little box, they were sort of wound up and then they wound out the other way. There are 2 crease marks in the sticker. I rocked up, saw it, and I was like, they've basically said, look, now that it's been fitted, unfortunately there's not a lot we can do, so we might be purchasing stickers again, which is, yeah, hurts my heart a little bit, because they were about 300 Australian dollars just for 2 stickers, and then get them refitted as well. The other issue that we have is this wing. Now, the wing, when I arrived, there's a slight gap through here. Well, I say slight, it's quite major. There's going to be water getting in behind, and the adhesive hasn't actually stuck to the rear boot at all. And I saw it and I was like, okay, what the hell's going on here? And they sort of proceeded to tell me that the wing just didn't really fit very well. And I thought to myself, that'll teach you for buying a cheap wing. However, upon further inspection and getting it home, I've actually measured the edges here. It's about 6 mil to the left. So they haven't really given it the best chance to fit. Obviously, when the wing hasn't been fitted correctly, the contours of the wing may not actually fit properly, and that may be what's causing the poor fitment. So what I plan to do is actually get some fishing line, take off the wing again and do it myself, and hopefully get it centered and it fits. Otherwise, yeah, if it's the contours of the actual wing not allowing it to fit, then we're in a bit of strife, and yeah, I should probably buy more expensive parts. Learn from me, don't buy cheap shit. But yeah, apart from that, it's all turned out exceptionally well. Super happy with it. The ceramic coat hopefully provides protection for many years. They do provide a 7-year warranty with the ceramic coat, which is awesome. And now that we've got that wrap on the carbon fiber roof, I'm a little bit more confident parking underneath trees and stuff. I still don't want to, but if there's, you know, something that lands on it, at least it's not going to etch in to the carbon fiber and cause problems. But unfortunately, a few disappointments. Don't like to end it on a negative, so we're going to end it on a positive. Ceramic coat's amazing. The wrap's good. Window tint is awesome, but there's a few things that we're going to fix. So make sure you subscribe so that you can see me fix my mistakes. And if you do like the sticker kit, make sure you check out my M140i video I did a few years back, because yeah, those stickers turned out really well, and we did the crash bar as well. Good video. So anyway, really appreciate you tuning in. See you in the next video.